Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm here to plan out the week of July 15th through July 21st. And I'm using this planner cake kit that I have had for literally ever. I ordered this, I honestly don't remember when. So I don't know if this kit is still available. I know that her designs have changed over the years. This kit is super old, and I just had these two sheets. I'm not sure why I picked these two sheets when I picked it, but I did. And I have these two washi strips. So they were originally attached to here, but it wouldn't fit in my sheet protector like that, so I had to cut it off. But I saved the washi strips so that I could use them while I was planning. And then I went and made some of my own stickers. So I made my habit sticker, I made it in the gray color, I made my workout stickers, and then I made myself some extra half boxes because this kit only comes with this row of half boxes, and y'all know how much I love my half boxes. So I did make some extras, although now that I'm looking at it in this lighting, the orange is not really the same color orange, but it's close enough. It will have to do. We might have to go digging through my stash a little bit as well. But let's go ahead and jump right in and start with the bottom. I've been loving the setup that I've been doing of my hourly, where I use a piece of washi from the kit to mark off at the bottom here and mark off one of the to-do list rows, and then this extra random hexagon row, and it leaves me space for 3 to-dos. And I've been trying to be really thoughtful in the to-dos that I put down there and make sure that they are 10 minutes or less. Otherwise they don't get done because I'm not allowing the time for them to get done. Now to the sidebar. So as we determined last week, I didn't flip to show you how last week finished up. Here's how it finished up. It's actually Saturday. I know it says film on Sunday, but we're filming on Saturday. I had to flip these around because actually one of these videos I'm trying to post on Sunday, so I kind of had to move things around. And I posted about this a little bit on Instagram, and here's the mindset that I'm going for. I'm trying to focus less on the order of the weekend tasks and even the days when it comes to my life planner. And I'll talk about that a little bit more when we get to the weekend section of this plan with me. But here is how last week finished up. It's not quite done, but you got the idea. So we determined 1 full decorative box, the habit tracker sticker, and then a checklist sticker fits perfectly. However, there is no checklist sticker that's part of this kit. There are these sort of checklist stickers. So because I need to cover up both of these things, I think we'll still do the full box at the top to cover it, but then I probably will put the habit sticker down here so that I can write the to-do items actually on the lines, if that makes sense. So let's see here. I'm gonna do the gray and blue sticker here. You can see through that sticker. Do I really want to white out the entire hexagon? Yes, I do. I actually think that Planner Kate made stickers that are white that covers up this hexagon for this very scenario when you want to put a sticker on top or you want to write on top or something like that. Somebody maybe might know better than me who uses Planner Kate more frequently, but I think I saw that somewhere on Instagram. I might have to do the same thing down here because you probably will be able to see through this habit tracker sticker. Oh no, my whiteout is gone. And I don't think I have another backup whiteout. I think all my whiteout is at the office. Okay, so we're gonna try and get creative a little bit. I have these white sticky notes. And what I'm gonna do is cut a little box out of them. So that's a little bit big. And adhesive roller it, making that a verb, onto the page. It doesn't totally cover it up like the whiteout does, but it'll be better than just putting the, oh my gosh. Oh y'all, what did I do? Well, I'm gonna try and cover it up with this one, although it's not quite long enough, so there's gonna be a weird slit in my sticker somewhere. But otherwise that sticky is gonna be annoying. All right, that's not so bad. Okay, back to this. Y'all, what is the matter with me? I want it to be a little bit more, I'm a mess today. Okay, I want it to be a little bit narrower because I want it to cover up the numbers, but I don't want it to stick out of the habit tracker sticker. On the sides anyway. You know what I mean? Now, we sticker. Perfect. I mean, it's a little bit thicker at the bottom than it is at the top. And I didn't put it on completely straight, but you know what? It's not so bad. All right, now let's put one of these like checkbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna have to trim one of these off here. Actually, I have no idea if these boxes are gonna line up. We're gonna find out. Pretty good. Okay, that works. So that'll be my weekly to-dos. There's the sidebar. So the first week I put a strip of washi at the top because the, not washi, but decorative strip, because the Chrissy Ann Designs kit had this really thin strip that fit perfectly there. Last week I put the half boxes all the way to the top because they were rounded and I thought that they looked good. This week I'm not gonna put them all the way to the top because none of these half boxes are rounded. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to put in that little space at the top. So we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So I'm gonna use just my half boxes for the half boxes to mark off the morning time, mostly because they're gonna be back to back with the workout stickers and I know that those are the same color. It will be less trying to integrate the colors that don't match as well. So this half box marks the time that I spend in the morning before work doing something. I'm a morning person, and so I like to at least take an hour before work to check something off of my to-do list because I know I will have more energy than when I get home from work. Let me know in the comments. Are you a morning person or are you a night person? Are you like roll out of bed and get where you need to be exactly where you need to be and then do things in the evenings? Or are you like me and you like to get up and do things in the morning, but once it hits a certain time in the evening, I am useless. Okay, now with the workout stickers, and the only day that's not gonna get one is Friday, and that is because we have half day Fridays right now, and so all of the workout classes kind of get bumped up a little bit. So the workout class that I like to take is now at 11:30 instead of 12:15 or 1. And I have a meeting from 11 to 12. So there will be no Friday workout for me. The meeting that I have is every other week. So every other week I'll get to take my Friday class. So I just need to put like a different half box. I think I'm gonna do this with the small ones. Okay, now let's do the full boxes. So this is gonna mark the time that I am at work. So last week I made them flush because it was easier to make them even, but because I have less white space here, since these aren't all the way at the top, I really want the white space here. So I'm gonna put them in the middle of this vertical box, and like I mentioned last week, it's gonna be harder to get them all to line up nicely, but I think the white space will look nice. I'm trying to decide if I like this all orange one or if I want to do the one that's got a little bit of gray in it, because that all orange one is pretty bold. It's hard to do this without getting my whole head in the camera. I know you don't want to look at my hair, you want to look at the sticker being put down. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's jump into the evenings. So I'm gonna start by putting this sticker. So on Tuesday night, we're going to an event with the JCC to go on a tour of a Holocaust Remembrance tour. So I'm gonna put that down for Tuesday night. So Monday and Wednesday, I think I'm just gonna come home and edit, and so I can either, actually, hold on. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna power through Monday night and try and get 2 videos edited. So I'm gonna do another full box here on Monday. So then Wednesday, if I power through and do 2 videos Monday, I don't actually have plans for Wednesday yet. So I'm gonna leave Wednesday for now. Thursday, I'm not gonna put this down yet either because I think I wanna work on that on Thursday, but I'm not totally sure. Friday, I know I'm gonna go take a workout class after work. So I'm gonna use that blue workout sticker, and then I'm just gonna leave this blank because honestly Friday night, by the time I like get home from the workout class, I kind of just want to relax. All right, let's go and put the weekend sticker down. I'm just gonna layer it on top of this washi here. Perfect. So I've talked about this a little bit on Instagram. I talked about it in a favorites video. I love using the Erin Condren Petite Daily Planner that is undated for the weekends. I like that I can break things down by hour. I can have a separate to-do list, and I have a lot of space to work with. And this is going to sound a little bit silly, but it allows me the flexibility to plan out my weekends without feeling constrained by stickers now. I love the visual aspect of stickers, and I love using sticker kits. So I mean, it's a little bit backwards almost, but hear me out. The way that I'm gonna use my life planner in terms of stickers and the weekends is I'm going to try and mark everything that I do want to get done on the weekends and how much time they're gonna take, and use the stickers accordingly, so I know how much I can actually get done over the course of the weekend and how much extra time I have. And I'm gonna try and think about the order that I would do them in and kind of how they would fall between Saturday and Sunday, but that might change. Like this weekend, I had that I was gonna film on Sunday, but I pushed it to Saturday for a specific reason. And so then the weekend, actually, you know what, that's what we're gonna put Friday night. I'm gonna put Friday night that I'm gonna plan the weekend, because I'm not gonna use that. That's too big. I have been doing it Saturday morning, but I think I kind of want to do it on Friday night, where I take that undated daily petite planner and I actually organize all the things that I want to get done. So for now, I'm just going to think about the things I want to get done and how long I think they're going to take me. So let's start with the power sheets. I know I want to do those, and those need to get done relatively early because I'm going to film about them, and I'm filming them early this month because I'm going to be out of town this following weekend, which is when I normally would do them and film them. Not about doing it during the week, but I really want time. So those probably, I'm gonna do a half box because those will probably take me about 2 hours. But actually, so wait, Saturday is gray. So what do we have left? We have 2 of the ones that I made. And then we have some of these. I'm gonna start by putting this one here, and I'm gonna edit the weekly vlog. That's usually how I start my Saturdays, get that going, kick that off, and then I'm going to work on my power sheets. That's what the sticker's gonna be. And then there's 4 videos I know I wanna film this weekend. I'm gonna do 2 Saturday and 2 Sunday. So I think I'm gonna do, that's kind of a darker gray. Let me do this one. So I'm gonna move this down a little bit because the ones that I film on Saturday, I'm gonna have to get ready for because they're gonna be front facing. I don't normally like to get ready separately on the weekends, but that's just how it's gonna have to be. So I'm gonna add this little gray one in here to mark that I have to get ready for these videos. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my 1 hour of decluttering. I'm gonna move these around a little bit. Again, I'm trying not to concern myself so much with the order. I'm gonna move this up here just because I don't like the way those grays look next to each other. I don't really like how those look next to each other either. Just a bunch of different grays here. Is there any more quarter boxes? Actually, you know what? Let's use this one. And then I'm gonna put a half box down here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in that half box yet, but I know that there's gonna be time for that. And then I'll fill it in with whatever doesn't get done earlier in the week or this current weekend that we're in right now. Okay, so there's Saturday. I'm gonna switch these stickers out. I just didn't like how, I don't know, I didn't like how it looked. And I found this one. And I like how this one looks. So I'm just gonna scooch everything down a little bit because it's a little bit bigger. But I just like the way that it looks better. And I mentioned this in the favorites video where I talked about the petite planner. My Erin Condren Life Planner is really more about the aesthetics, where my petite planner is very much about the functionality. This is functional too, though. I am mapping out all the things that I am gonna get done. Just the order and the times that I get them done might change. All right, so Sunday, I also need to edit because I'm gonna have to edit the video for Monday. I'm just gonna be consistent and put the half boxes that I made at the top here. I think it'll just look nice. Okay, and then the filming I'm gonna do Sunday, I'm gonna use this full box because I know it's gonna take a little bit more time to film Sunday's videos than it is to film Saturday's videos. So I'm gonna use that one. Okay, what else am I gonna do on Sunday? I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna actually leave that for now. I probably have room for like these 2 half boxes and then maybe another quarter box of stuff that I wanna get done. And the truth is, I said that this was editing, but this might end up being sleeping in, and then editing needs to be its own kind of half box down here somewhere. So I'm gonna fill that in later, not today. Okay, now let's go in with the pen. Planner Kate stickers are matte, so I can use my favorite Pilot G207, which is nice because then I can write directly on the planner with it as well. And I don't have to switch out pens whether I'm writing on the stickers. I mean, I love my Chrissy and Design stickers, don't get me wrong, but it is nice to only use one pen. Okay, I do have to grab my permanent pen for this Design Pandemonium sticker. It wasn't gonna work with the Pilot G2. Okay, I didn't fill in a ton, and here's why. I forget what this event is called, so I need to check with Sam before I write that in. I don't usually fill out what's happening in the morning until like the night before, and I kind of know what's going on. I don't like to fill in the workout classes until they get announced that they're actually happening, because they will sometimes send an email the morning of and cancel them. I guess I can fill in this class because that's something that I am signed up for. And then I didn't fill in any of the videos because I don't want to spoil what the videos are. Also, all the to-dos at the bottom, that's going to depend on kind of just they come up. There aren't really any consistent ones that happen every single week. Now, as far as the spaces here, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I guess I could track the weather or plan for the weather. Sometimes I like having the weather in my planner. Sometimes I don't even look at it. So it's kind of, I don't know. It kind of depends. But I want to have that space filled in. It kind of looks funny blank to me anyways. So that's going to be the end of this plan with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. So the first week I say we. This is not sticking very well. Okay. Charlie got to this, didn't she? Yeah, it's definitely chewed on. All right, let's put, oh, geez.